Under the modem status, you can find detailed information of the modem connected to the system. Here, you can find the modem IMEI number, which is the ID tied to the individual modem. The modem info, which is the type of modem used. The operator info, which is the telco SIM card used. You can also find the signal strength of the modem based on the indicator shown. For this case, the signal strength indicates excellent. In case there's modem issue, you can click Reload Modem Driver. This will reload and reinitialize the modem driver. Do take note, if there are multiple modem connected, clicking Reload Modem Drivers will reload and reinitialize all modem together.